Alright. So, just for precautionary measure, I'm going to turn the desktop audio down even more. I'm kind of paranoid about how loud the desktop audio is. But anyway. Oh my god. Another stream. Another cough-related stream. I think I caught a cold recently, and the cough, my behated, is back. So I figured instead of doing, like, what did I do last time? If I cough, Minecraft, but if I cough, I spin the wheel. This time I'm going to be doing, Cave Story, but if I cough, I reload my save. So, normal difficulty, single player. Alright. Holy shit. I forgot Dokutsu RS has, shaders. If I cough, I reload my save. I'm gonna try to at least not cough for this first bit. And thank fucking god I can skip cutscenes, because that'll make this a lot easier. I'm going to go save immediately. I'm not going to worry about EXP right now. Because if I cough, I'm gonna lose this. I'm gonna have to do it all over. So, go back in here. Oh god, I can kind of feel it coming. Yes. Okay. I've secured the polar star. Now I can start farming. I'm kind of already up here, so... Ow, shit. That was not very smart of me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I can feel it coming. Nope. Nuh-uh. I'm not gonna cough. Nope. Whew. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. No coughing. No coughing. I'm not gonna cough. No, fuck you. I'm not gonna cough, damn it. Stop spamming. Oh my god. That's gonna make me laugh, not cough. I can't cough on command, you know. What the f... That enemy was like freaking Sans for a moment, dodging all my bullets. What the hell? Also, if I cough and, like, I don't realize, then please tell me. Because I have pretty shit memory. I just remembered this random thing about, Tourette's tics. That, like, compared it to holding your breath, and I just realized that coughing is, like, pretty similar. You can only hold your breath for so long. And you can only hold back from ticking for so long, if you can even control your tics at all. And the same thing can pretty much be applied to coughing. I can hold back the cough, but not forever. Oh god. Ugh. Oh no! Oh my god. Ooh. I really felt it there. The cough is really trying to escape my throat right now. I'm at the point where it starts to hurt to hold your breath. That's where the cough is at right now. It's like desperate to come out. Nope, nope. And I also just realized this logic applies to throwing up as well. Thankfully, I am not nauseous right now, so don't worry about hearing me puke. I would probably mute for that anyway, as fast as I can. Oh my god. How have I not coughed this entire time? I almost jinxed it there. I'm really trying not to cough right now. Dude, just running the risk of, like, coughing can change how many times I save. Because if I miss even one save opportunity, I could lose a lot of progress with just a cough. Okay, my polar star is maxed out. I'm gonna save again. Okay, wait a minute, because up ahead is the battle with Balrog, and I don't want to... Oh, I'm about to cough. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my... Whoa. Okay. Holy mother of God. I coughed so hard that I was lightheaded for a second. I damn near passed out. Okay, it was not that intense, but like, holy shit. That was awful. Oh shit, this is Dekutsu RS, so I have to go to the title screen and then reload my save. It's kind of faster. Okay, I thought it was going to be really bad, but Jesus Christ. That was a really... Whew, almost coughed there. That was a really bad cough. Like, I think next time I cough, I'm going to drink water. I don't know why I'm avoiding drinking water now. I really need it. I bet I just got my entire setup sick with that single cough. Fucking hell. I'm not even gonna clear my throat, because then you're gonna accuse me of coughing. You seem like the kind of person to do that, to do that. So, I'm gonna refrain from audibly clearing my throat. Let's get the life capsule up here if I can. I love how room transitions are too quick to skip. That's kind of funny to me. Oh, I need to go to the cemetery. Oh, movie. For some reason, the last time I played this game, I forgot to go to the cemetery before, like, I headed straight to Arthur's house for some reason. Mr. Little does not have a glow. That's a nice detail. Well, neither do I. I think only the enemies have glow. That's odd. Uh-oh. Hurry. About to cough. I'm about to cough. I'm sorry. Why did I even think about making that joke? Save. And egg corridor time. Corridor? Corridor. I think there's yup, there's a save point in here. Quick. Yup. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I saved. I'm safe in here. Gonna get the life capsule without coughing. Oh, I don't need to go back up there. Oh my god. Ugh. I'm sorry if that's... Oof. I literally read tongue twisters before starting the stream and I'm still stuttering. That sucks. I'm sorry if this gets hard to watch. I just became aware of the fact that it may sound at times as if I were holding back from puking. I'm not. I'm holding back a cough. I would mute if I was holding back vomit. I wouldn't want you guys to hear that. But if it sounds like I'm gagging, I'm sorry. Okay, save here. Save again. Oh shit, egg 1. Okay. 300, wow. Nice and even. Okay. I saved. Now time to head back to Arthur's house. Okay, Bushland's time. What do you mean? I literally held Q the entire time. Oh yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but I added Moobot, so now I can do like a few commands here and there. So if you type !context, you'll be able to see the stream context. I gotta remember to disable that when I'm done streaming. My face when no viewers? Yeah, that's what it's like for a small streamer, pretty much. A day in the life. Hey guys, I got a super cool stream idea. What if super cool idea? And then nobody shows up, but... a streamer with like 10,000 subscribers, or 10,000 followers, or whatever, says, hey guys, cool stream idea, pee-pee poo-poo. Everyone floods to that stream. Oh. Okay, wait. What happened there? Did I sleep with Choco in the bed? Okay, then. So what? Did I fucking snuggle next to her or something? Sheesh. Okay, so I need to get the charcoal first. So I'm gonna go to Santa's house. Oh my god. Who? Oh, and the, oh. I really feel like coughing right now. I think I'm gonna cough. My throat feels weird. Oh my god. Ah, jizz. Did I just say jizz? What? What am I doing? I meant to say Jesus. Jizz? What is going on inside my head? We need to reenact Inside Out, but I'm Riley. Okay, now I need to go back to get the bub line. I might cough here, though. Okay, go, 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 go. Alright. I'm safe back in Arthur's house. Bub line acquired. Wait, Melody, I'm curious. Do you remember the freaking hydrogen bomb versus coughing baby meme? I'm assuming you have not then. Ooh, I have not used this save point in ages. Haha, got him midair. Let's quickly save because I feel a cough coming. Okay, that was very close. Now let me... No. Ooh, my god. Why did I used to go up here anyway? What was the point in this? Oh, this! Max missiles increased by 5. Not like that's gonna fucking matter anyway. Worst time to cough would be during a boss fight. So I'm gonna try my absolute best not to cough here. I'm gonna equip the fireball. Oh, balls. Okay. Ooh, that was close. Got him. Okay. Save again. Oops. Okay, I hope I have all the ingredients. Oh, shit. Oh, I don't have the jellyfish juice. Okay, wait. I need to save again. I know I just did, but every save point counts in this challenge. Fuck you, man. How did... I was literally aiming directly down at it. How did it hit me? God, the emphasis on that fuck was very strong. I can't imagine how a viewer would feel if that's the first thing they heard when they clicked onto my stream. Oh, let's see what Masako-sana's up to. Fuck you, man. Oh, okay, never mind. You know what? Sometimes, regardless of whoever's around me, I should mind my language. Even if I'm alone. I should treat chat like my neighbors. Like, the people that aren't watching right now, or the people that are, like, about to click on my stream, are my neighbors. And I don't want to say the wrong thing at the wrong time to scare them off. So I should probably, like, be careful with the swearing. I'm starting to get repetitive, but you get what I mean. I never explained why I was, bringing up the hydrogen bomb versus coughing baby meme. I was thinking that if I coughed, I think anytime I cough, regardless of if I miss it or not, just, like, send an emote of the coughing baby in chat. That's what I was thinking of. Okay, I got the explosive. I'm hitting the keys so damn hard that I can hear the springs bouncing. Should I be worried about that? Okay, new save point. Bushlands is done. I'm still about to cough. Barely holding it back. Now I have to get back to Arthur's house. God, I love the skip cutscene feature. Thank God I'm using Dokutsu RS. Which, in case you don't know, is Dokutsu Rust. So this is a Rust engine for Cave Story. Or a Cave Story engine in Rust. I don't know how to describe it. Come on. Oh, this one's a long one. Okay, never mind. Might as well get this as well. Okay. And save. Okay. How did that hit me? Excuse me? Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Okay, now I just can't use that. Okay. Now I'm safe if I cough. That was very close. What the hell am I gonna do about the bub line? I can kill whatever the fuck these things are. Ooh, okay. And then... yeah. Don't spam Skibbity in the chat. Come on. You're like 28. You know... oh my god. You know better. Come on. I already had to deal with a clip of Vinesauce Vinny playing Hawk 2 64 last night. I don't need you spamming that shit in chat right now. It's my Gen Z blood? You mean your Gen Alpha blood? God fucking damn it. That one wasn't nearly as bad, but that still hurt, kind of. I mean, D's nuts blood. Really, man? Come on. You didn't even try that time. Oh my... what the hell? Generous hitbox. Oh, damn it, I hit the gator, or crocodile, or whatever it is. Fuck, damn it. Ow. Well, that's not gonna help at all. Thank God for that save point right there. That save point is actually super convenient for a challenge like this. Oh, oh my god. Oh, I was supposed to use the blocks to climb up. I am not thinking, clearly. Or, like, not thinking critically. Yeah, now I'm not thinking clearly. I confused critically with clearly. Clearly, if I'm confusing those two words, then I'm not... oh, I thought that was a danger one. Then I'm not thinking, critically. Can I do the 5-dog, thing on Dokutsu RS? I assume not. One's all you can make. Damn it! It's exclusive to the Switch version. Fuck. This would have been perfect for me to grab my Switch and hook it up to, my capture card. This would have been a perfect opportunity. I have Cave Story Plus. I could have done 5-dog skip, but no. Let's play it on desktop, because that's what I'm used to, apparently. Perfect fucking opportunity for me to whip my Elgato out. He's whipping his capture card out! The feeling of wanting to cough, and I'm not trying to jinx it here, has thankfully died down. Schmoopy! I almost fell in the crocodile pit. Yo! Periwinkle! The Cave Story guy? The Cave Story speedrunner guy? Holy shit, man! Hi. Oh my god, it's the guy. I was not expecting you to show up. What brings you here? Oh my god. Oh shit, I see everything Cave Story, that's true. Oh my god. I'm so bad right now. I'm so bad. I damn near instantly remembered the fact that GD Colon is subscribed to you. I do not know why that's what my brain chose to bring up. You remember the speedrun attempts? Oh my god, I did not know you were around for that. I kinda like completely gave up on those. Like, I haven't continued that in a while. I should. I lurked a little bit in one of those streams at that time. That's crazy. I do definitely know that I will never get to the point of, like, becoming the dream of Cave Story. But that's fine by me. I mean, like, if I can get a spot on the leaderboard eventually, like, if I get good enough to the point where I'm submitting runs on speedrun.com, then, like, good for me, but I don't expect to get that high. I really should try again on those speedrun attempts sometime. Just being able to finish a run is pretty good already? Yeah, that's true. Which I haven't done yet. The sad part is, I actually lost the footage for day 1, but I do have the footage for day 2. Or, by footage I mean VOD, but it's pretty much the same thing. Okay. Ooh, I almost hit no on accident. Oh my god. My brain is, like, so surprised that I've completely ran out of things to say. Yeah, that was definitely a pleasant distraction. Oh. That was very close. Well, with great hitbox generosity comes hitbox asshole-ish moment. Hitboxes being generous versus hitbox being assholes. Hitboxes being assholes. My speech is, like, so weird. Sometimes I have an impediment, sometimes I skip over letters or entire words. on a bad day. He didn't say that? What? Hitboxes do be hitting the boxes sometimes. Nerd emoji. I'm so Uncle Ben, what are you bringing? I'm not gonna attempt to assume what that's referencing. My brain says Spider-Man, but I could be wrong. I think it is. Am I stupid? Because sometimes there are moments where the hitboxes are really generous, like you don't get hit when you feel like you should have gotten hit. And then hitboxes being assholes where you get hit when you feel like you shouldn't have. Like when the hitbox is too big or something. Or when the hitbox is just right, but it still hits for whatever reason. Even though you were far away from it. Oh my god. And I'm a nerd emojiing you that the quote is different. Well, yeah, obviously. I'm more referencing the, quote, each action has an equal and opposite reaction than with great power comes great responsibility. If that makes sense. My god, I have not coughed in a hot minute. I'm feeling a bit better now. That's not to say that the cough is gone. Now that I said that, I can kind of feel it in the back of my throat, but I'm managing to hold it, I guess. You know I'm something of a nerd too. I fuck the quote, ah. Please do not the quote. Dude, The funniest fucking thing about what you said is that the protagonist's name is quote. I'm not kidding. That completely changes the atmosphere of the message. Please do not the quote. Oh my god. We need to clip that. That's way too good. r/suddenly NSFW. Exactly! I have moments like that all the fucking time. It's not fun at all. I'm getting harassed by a bunch of evil talking Pierres.
You stupid. You stupid.
Damn it! No. What do you mean? Give me my XP. The birds must not like bubble baths. True. King just flies horizontally to the left. Completely horizontally. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my... Wow, okay. Why? What is my problem today? I think today is just not a cave story day. Usually I do... Oh no, not now. I'm literally so close to a save point, I do not want to cough now. Why do I have the fucking missile launcher equipped? Anyway, save point, yes. How have I only coughed twice in this entire run? What? Missile still at level 1? Yeah, it's because, when upgrading them to the super missiles, they reset. So I'm just like, I'm not even gonna bother. Last time I played the game, when I got to hell, I completely forgot to level up the missiles for the heavy press. I need to remember to do that. I feel like I'm slowly but surely developing short-term memory loss. I think I saved twice, but I don't even realize it. Man, never before have these save points felt so important. Why am I holding the polar... Damn it. Sheesh. But why did I save with the polar star? Did I, like, misclick or something? The polar cough, 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 cough. The timing of that was pretty funny. Kind of. It's not the funniest thing in the world, but it's funny to me. Whatever. If it's funny, it's funny. It's good to laugh. Ow? Question mark? Okay, and now I can upgrade the missiles. And if my volume suddenly changes randomly, it's probably because I'm holding back a cough. What do you mean? There we go. Thought you were going somewhere, huh, buddy? I'm actually still not going to bother with the super missiles because they'll get leveled down before hell anyway. Twice, actually, in the last cave and, in hell. I actually feel like a lot better. I don't even feel a cough now. I bet I jinxed myself there. Yup. I feel the cough again. Wow, instant karma. I wonder if the blade in DRS could have a slight inaccuracy. Like, how so? I don't remember it being that hard to hit the shutter with level 3 blade. Well, I mean, the level 3 blade... Oh my god. Great hit there. The level 3 blade is technically slightly weaker than level 2. I feel like it's a good weapon to keep in, like, the middle point. I see you're playing an older build of DRS from before I fixed a bunch of bugs with it. Oh, you worked on this? That's cool. I'm about to die. Awesome. I haven't noticed any bugs with Dokutsu RS, so that's pretty interesting. I just realized that you were able to tell from the visuals, which is very interesting. Worked on might be a bit overstating it. Most of the inaccuracies I fixed were just simple one-line changes. Oh, alright. The core is coming to me now. I'm not coming to it. You get over here. Really? Really? We're gonna... Alright. No. Okay, man. Whatever boat your float, dude. The most obvious inaccuracy in this room is that you should be able to notice is that the core projectiles slow down when they touch the water. Oh, yeah! I did notice that. I should have been able to notice that. I've been playing this game since I was little. Oh, come on. Oh! Fuck, I didn't even notice. Damn it. Wow, what is my problem? I can't even remember the last time I drowned. Like, unironically. And I managed to do it twice. That's crazy. Sorry if you can hear what's going on downstairs. Oh, I'm gonna drown. No, the water's too high. Okay, that was out of my control. Hi, British ball. Wow, 3 times in a row I drowned on the core. And on the last possible thing I could drown 2 of all things. That is impressive. I'm literally having a skill issue on the core on normal difficulty. This is normal difficulty. Oh, god damn it. I'm about to cough. Have I ever beaten hard mode in Cave Story Plus? Not yet. I have a save on both my Wii and my Switch where I'm stuck at hell on hard mode. Stuck in hell seems pretty normal, yeah. Oh, I did not dodge that either. Okay, I'm either gonna die to a projectile or the water here. Come on. Ooh. Oh my god, it's at level 1 now. Okay, come on, 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 come on. Come on, come on. Oh, yes! That was very close. Oh, I can't skip the air thing. Awesome. If I get to the save point, I'm safe. Oh, I forgot it gets dragged, like, way towards the door. Okay, I'm safe. Thank God. How long has it been since I coughed? Jesus. Damn it. Oh, I could not hold that one back. That one hurt my freaking stomach. Oh. Had to take a sip of water for that one. Okay. Well, the amount of time since I last coughed is very short now. Why are there constantly sirens outside? I don't know if you can hear it, and I hope not, but there are constantly sirens playing outside. Like, I don't know if it's ambulances or police cars, but there's always something of importance driving by. Can I no-hit, or am I gonna get hit like a dumbass? I'm gonna get hit like a dumbass, okay. Fair enough. That's pretty par for the course. Time to get the booster and the spur. And probably the Whimsical Star. Yeah, the Whimsical Star as well. I fucking love this item so much. Why did I boost? Did not need to do that. Okay, now I have the spur. Have you heard about the MKBHD drama? Well, it doesn't look like it's, it doesn't look like this is leading into a D's Nuts joke, so, no, I haven't. Elaborate. He uploaded a video in which he drives 96 miles per hour in a 35 zone. What does MKBHD even stand for? Probably something stupid. Because he sounds stupid. Who the fuck intentionally drives, like, over 3 times the speed limit? Come on, man. That did not warrant a level down. Well, now's a good time to get the arms barrier. He blurred the tachometer, but forgot to blur tacho on the passenger side. Ha! Dumbass. Marquez Brownlee high definition. Fucking Marquez Brownlee? Wow. Was not expecting him to get in trouble. I don't even know who he is, actually. Like, what does he do? That gave me a good scare. Sorry if you heard that. That was my phone. Tech YouTuber? Oh. Oh, damn. 20 million. Wow, man. That's actually crazy. You know what? It just came back to me. Wait, did I even get the... Yes, I did. I don't know how many subs PGH Films has, but... probably a lot. It simultaneously surprises me and doesn't surprise me that a person like him would get called out for something like that. He cut out that speeding part with a cringy comment pinned. What are you talking about? Cut out the unnecessary driving clip that obviously added nothing to this video. I hear all your feedback on sponsored videos too. He tries to sweep it under the rug. Yeah, nice fucking try, man. It's literally as simple as, if you don't want to get caught doing something stupid, don't record yourself doing something stupid, man. I feel like we as a society are collectively losing IQ. And with Generation Alpha, that's truer than ever. And the 2024 election, dude. Generation Alpha and the 2024 election are more proof than anything that we are getting extremely fucking stupid. Very fast. And also that video is basically an ad for DJI. I don't know what that is, but it's probably something stupid. Camera / drones, etc. brand. Oh, okay. So something I probably don't need. What I do need right now is a save point, because I feel that cough coming back. He got too cocky, exactly. I hate narcissists, bro. So much. People who think that they're, like, on top of the world are literally the exact opposite. If you think you're better than everyone else, the reality is you're probably on the bottom of the human tier list. I don't make the rules, man. He got a bit on my nerves since he sucked Apple off in a vid about replacing parts and stuff. Huh. Oh, wow. I did not even notice that was there. There's a projectile that drops straight on you the minute you exit that room. I never even noticed that, because I'm always so quick to GTFO. I'm losing more HP than I'm gaining. I forgot that PewDiePie has 100 mil. I think Dan TDM surpassed him. I don't know. Oh shit, I said yes. It doesn't matter. Dan is 29.1. 29.1 million? No way, man. I remember him having way more than that. Or maybe I'm just misremembering. Pewds is 110. Mr. Beast is probably still at, like, frickin'... I don't know. T-Series is 278 million. They probably botted their subscribers, though. Like, I think there's proof of T-Series botting their subscribers. So, to be honest, that doesn't even fucking count. Mr. Beast is 330 mil? Damn. That's over $250 million. That's wild. It sure would be a shame if he hired pedophiles and fucking scripted his content. Anyway, I feel like that's getting, like, way too off topic. Let's try to focus on some cave story. Yeah. Shit. Good thing I just saved. Why am I holding Q for absolutely everything? I don't need to do that. Almost at the end of the game and I've only coughed 5 times. That's incredible. I almost landed right on an enemy. Wow. That would have been a hell of a clip. But I mean, probably not that impressive since shit like that happens all the time. Castlevania Collection is free on EGS, by the way. What's EGS? Oh, Epic Games Store? Alright. I'll take a look after the stream. Oh. Oh, I need to go to Ito. I'm dumb. Ito, piano. How do you fucking pronounce it? Damn. Why does this little freaking mushroom deal so much damage? It's angry that you're trying to eat it? Well, yeah. Really? How did I miss that jump? Alright, gotta make it to that prefab house. Cause prefab building, damn it. GL, thanks. Oh my god. Just completely knocked over my mic. Nice. Hope that wasn't too loud. I don't even know how the hell I managed to do that, but okay. Are you the person that was gonna do a co-op speedrun? No. I think you're confusing me with someone else. Oh yeah, it's been like a year and a half since I followed you. Oh yeah. Shit, I missed. I'm just getting hit left and right. My god. My memory's pretty bad too, so don't worry about it. I completely missed. Wow. Incredible. Ooh, if I cough, I have to do this whole thing over. Let's hope I don't. Not trying to jinx it. Holy. Okay, this is a full heal, so I'm good. Don't cough. Don't fucking cough. Don't get hit either. Okay. Alright. We're safe. Hell time. Oh yeah, I didn't get the Nikomaru counter. I usually do. Alright, so from here, there's really no progress to lose. Because resetting at this point is basically the same as dying. How did I not get... Okay, I nearly avoided damage completely there. I fucking died! Incredible luck right there. At least I won't have to deal with the dialogue this time. Makes it easier to concentrate. Why would I pause there of all places? I am making several bad decisions right now. Oh, that was way too close. I'm rushing too much, and I don't even have the freaking speedrun counter, so... What the heck am I doing? I didn't level up the missiles at all. It's not even worth it. I'm gonna use the life pot here just cuz. If I cough, I have to do this over, so I really hope I don't. Why do I suck so bad at aiming for the eyes? There we go. Oh my god. That does 10. No fucking way. Okay, I'm not saving... Or I'm not, using the... life pot on heavy press anymore. I mean, it's better than having to reset because of a cough. I'm nowhere near dead, so I'm pretty sure this is it. Not trying to jinx it, though. There we go. Can't skip the credits. At all. Wow. Can I hit escape? I can. I wonder if I should make the credits count or not. That would be fucking hilarious if I counted the credits as part of the challenge and I coughed, and I would have to beat Bolos again. Y'all would probably vote against that, though. I think y'all have better to do than watch my stream. I'm gonna, like, slowly drink some water to see if I can, like, last through the credits without coughing. So that even if I did decide to make it count, then I would have survived anyway. Man, I think me, like, saving way too frequently is what, helped me get, so far so fast. I was expecting there to be, like, multiple moments where I lost a lot of progress, but that never happened. The closest that I ever got to that in the entire run was just hell. I'm still surprised that I died, like, 3 to 4 times at the core. I can't remember the last time that happened. Almost there. And... boom. Okay, I think only in Plus does it send you back to the title screen. Not that it matters, though. The result is the same. But, yeah, that's the stream. I beat Cave Story with, like, only 5 resets. That's... incredible. The coughing must be far less frequent than when I had COVID then. Because when I had COVID, I was coughing up a storm. In the last stream that I did that was based on, like, trying not to cough, I was messing around with Windows virtual machines, and if I coughed, I had to crash it. And every 8 coughs, I can't remember if it was every multiple of 8, or every 8 coughs. I think it was every 8. I would spin, like, a wheel of punishment. But yeah, that stream got to, like, 31 coughs. I managed to last over 2.5 hours only having coughed 5 times, that is a hell of a difference. So yeah, obvious note to self, COVID will make you cough a lot more than a cold will. Why do I suck so much at goodbyes? I'm just gonna end the stream, I guess. See you next time. Thanks for stream. You're welcome. Also, I just remembered, before I end off, my channel is not entirely Cave Story. I hope that's fine. Because, like, I don't know if you want to be notified for, like, oh, game dev stream or Minecraft stream. I know your primary focus is Cave Story. No problem? Alright. But yeah, now that I got that out of the way, I'm gonna check out the Castlevania collection on Epic. Well, I'm just gonna, purchase it since it's free right now. But, yeah. See you next time.